In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI tools with Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, access Notion AI, craft effective prompts, and turn AI results into useful pages you can keep working on. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. This brings you to Notion's homepage. If you use it often, consider bookmarking it so you can jump back in quickly next time. On the homepage, click Login. If you're new to Notion, you can create an account first, but if you already have one, logging in will take you straight to your workspace. When the sign-in options appear, choose the Google option. This lets you connect your Notion account with your Google credentials for a quick, secure login. Select your Google account from the list. You may be asked to confirm permissions. Go ahead and continue. In a moment, you'll land inside your Notion workspace. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar. This is your control panel for pages, workspaces, and tools. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge or click the toggle to expand it so you can see all the options. In the sidebar, click Notion AI. This opens the AI interface where you can talk to Notion, ask for help, or generate content. If you don't see it immediately, scroll the sidebar or check for an AI icon near the bottom. In the prompt area, type your request to Notion AI. Be clear and specific. For example, you could ask it to create a project tracker database with columns for status, priority, due date, and owner, or to draft a template for meeting notes with an agenda, action items, and follow-ups. Mention the format you want, database, page, or outline, and include any details that matter, like tone or structure, to help the AI get it right the first time. Press Enter to submit your prompt. Notion AI will start generating a response based on what you asked for. You'll see it working for a moment. While Notion AI prepares your request, it's interpreting your instructions, selecting the best structure, and assembling content into Notion-friendly blocks. For databases, it will propose properties and sample rows. For pages, it will build headings, sections, and lists. If something looks off as it loads, let it finish. You can refine it in a moment. When the result is ready, you can copy the content or save it as a page. Choose the option that fits your workflow. After saving, you can adjust text, tweak properties, and organize it in your workspace so it's ready for real use. And that's it. Your AI-assisted Notion content is good to go.